Oh my goodness!
He's done.
He's done. He's gone down.
He's moving.
He's going to turn that water
He's
off.
moving back to England. Hopefully that's not hot water.
I've been in that cabinet. I know that cabinet.
Oh my god.
What's it doing?
That's hot water.
Yeah.
It's steam.
Yeah. Has he not? Why would he not have turned out? Oh my lord! What is?
He's just boiling.
He's going back in. He's going back in. Mate, he's not giving. That is steaming.
Oh.
Mate, you're done. You're cooked.
It makes it so much easier when a customer's standing there with a phone, video in it as well.
Yeah, that's it. That's how we do it. Oh my goodness. That's it.
That's it. Get that on. That'll help you.
What is that? Get down there and turn
Oh
that
my
water
god.
There we go. You could have got that going earlier.
Oh my gosh. What is he doing?
I don't know what he's doing. He must have been changing a valve in there.
I wonder if he thought I can do this, or he just did it and he didn't know. Because I would never put myself in that.
No.
Actually, I have done.
You've done it once. You only do it once.
only do it once.
Oh, man.
Oh,
That's
still.
Oh,
Oh,
he's
no.
off again.
Oh, no.
He's doing the other one.
He thought he had it.
Yeah. Get.
Oh
my goodness.
He's
He's
done.
done. He's gone down.
He's moving.
He's going to turn that water
He's
off.
moving back to England.
Mate, look at that. Get that Hoover going. Come on. Can you imagine being there? Oh. He's doing it though. She's going for it. She's no.
He's gone.
He's
on the phone to the boss. No, he's back.
What's he going to get another valve?
Oh, what was he doing? Just changing a faucet. I bet he's doing it for $100 as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that for $100.
You know for sure.
No problem.
You know for sure he's out of the. He's out of I can't believe they're still going over it with that machine as it slowly fills up.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that was the hot one again. Yeah, that one again. Man, oh man, he don't give up, though. He's that is going downstairs already. There's no stopping that.
7.3 million views. He's YouTube famous.
He is YouTube famous. Can you imagine? I want to be famous one day. And this is why he became famous. That's good as new, actually. That carpet's clean now. Nearly done. Nearly done. No, we're off again. That's going to go again. That's going to blow again.
I've got a Leco. Someone said
Here we go. Going. I thought that was going again, but she's off.
I wonder if something broke while he was under there.
The thing is that he stopped it. I don't know how he stopped it, and then it went again. So maybe he had like a
shark bite.
A shark bite or something. I've used him before. I've had it.
Oh no! Oh no! Just go, mate. Just get out of there.
I've been in the room when someone had put a shark bite on the front pipe. He's gone. He's left now.
Shut the water off, someone.
Yeah.
That's hot water.
Surely he could have gone downstairs and turned that off by now. Yeah, here comes the plumber. Someone is actually.
We need to shut the water off. We're 4 minutes into.
I don't think that guy maybe as much as a plumber as he's pretending to be, because he's just taking.
What a moron.
That can you? Yeah. This is why you don't have someone in your house who isn't a trained plumber.
This is why you call
Kingstree
Plumbing.
You do not. Some people do.
What are you doing, mate? Just stop.
Stop videoing. Get a bucket, man.
What's he doing? He's gonna get his shot back on there. Get that water up. That's it. Get it into the drain. Get it into the drain.
That's it.
Going for the toilet.
That's it. From there to the drain.
It's very hard to like.
Kingstree.
You have to have a lot of experience to call the police.
He does need to arrest that guy for sure.
Call the police?
Yeah, you just ruined our house.
He's got it, mate. He's going to get that into the toilet.
And everything will be good. It's all good. Everyone's happy. And just take that on.
Oh,
Let's
poor guy.
have a look at the fix.
Jeepers.
Not poor guy. He. How did he think he was ever going to do that?
He's on call as well. This is happening in the middle of the night. You got the customer video and the whole thing. Way, lady. Gee. You're not helping.
No, he should have. I want to see.
Get in there. I want to see what he's done
to it.
We need to get the water off. So, is the water off yet? It is off. You turn the water off?
The water is off. I think you'll find it's not.
It's still going.
Oh, he's back in there.
Oh my goodness, he's at it again.
Oh man.
He can't get that to stay on the end there. I went from. I'm starting to feel sorry for him now. Before I was just blaming him 100% now.
Oh no.
The water's off. Is the word. The water's off. I don't think it is.
Turn the water off.
Oh my goodness, stop.
He needs to like crimp the line or something.
something.
I hope we find out what is actually under there by the end of this video.
I want to see the apartment downstairs. I'm surprised they haven't been up. I have been in this situation with another plumber who cut into a pipe without turning the water on.
But he just left.
Yeah.
He had no idea what he was doing.
He didn't know what he was doing, no.
Call the police or
Shh, call the police. What are you calling the police for, mate? They ain't going to help you.
He does need arrested first. Let's get him to finish that first. That's just getting deeper. I can't believe.
I hope someone's done a podcast with this guy or something.
Let's find out. Do we know his name?
Hi.
Bubble one. If you're out there, sir, please call and contact us. We'd love to talk to you. He's done it. Oh, there you
little
go.
bit of
Good
it.
as new.
The landlord hired. Landlords, we've seen this, they're always trying to get it done cheap. The landlords are very problematic, very cheap Persian female causing a self-appointed Hispanic plumber named Wilma. Wilma is the kind of cheap labour that cuts corners to try and save money. Oh, mate. Wilma, what are you doing, mate?
Wilma!
Is it Vilma or Wilma?
Vilma. Baby Vilma.
Just go, just leave. You're done.
Leave your card and leave, Wilma.
Bedroom's fucking ruined.
Well, maybe don't stand there with a camera and actually get stuff before you idiot.
Yeah, start helping. What is wrong with you, man?
And then start.
Try turning that water off. Wilma's got it shut off. There you go. Good, isn't it? A couple of minutes. There you go. A slight amount of water on the floor.
Shouting abuse at the plumber's going to help you, mate.
Yeah, he might just leave. Or is this a landlord?
What is this shit? This is worth fucking thousands.
Oh, I'm feeling sorry. Wilma, get out there. Leave as soon as you get it stopped. Once that's off, he should get that.
Turn the water off! 10 minutes and the water's still on.
That's crazy. Another person to look and watch him suffer. Oh, can you imagine being Wilma under there? He's almost cooked now. He's like...
I'm having anxiety now. Just
I'm like, that meat on his arm is probably cooked. Oh, man.
He's laughing about this to this day, though. He's telling his buddies the time he got 8 million views on YouTube. Oh, that's his apprentice.
Oh, he's probably not working in plumbing at the moment. There you go, he's got it sorted.
That looks pretty mouldy around there. Maybe something broken.
Yeah. There you go, get it in there. That's it.
You hold this.
Hold that.
There you go. Oh, he's got holes. It might not even be his fault. It might have been like
no, he might have just touched it trying to undo a nut, and the copper was so thin that it's worn through and it just ripped off there.
Trying to make excuses for him.
I know. We're with you, brother. We're with you. Plumbers Unite. Man, he went about that all the wrong way. When do you ever do that? He should have turned that water off.
Come on, apprentice. There's water spraying. Get that end of get that hose in there as well.
He's just looking in the mirror like, wow, this plumbing's real.
That's it. Here you go. He's getting it.
He's got it. Yeah, it just worked out that shouldn't be going on the floor. Look at it.
There's inches of water in there now.
That is as clean as that.
They've made a little water barrier.
Oh, don't mess it up.
They've made a little water barrier out of towels and fittings.
This whole bedroom is ruined. The bedroom is ruined.
Man, he's just
got... I don't care. This guy's annoying.
I know. He's just got problems. He's got no solutions. That's...
Oh, just watch your slippers, mate. Oh, no. Oh, my slippers are ruined.
Pop downstairs and turn that water off.
No help at all.
No.
Just videoing the whole thing.
Yeah. Just to hold him accountable. Probably give him 10% off.
Oh, God.
He's got it turned down a bit because that just came.
That was great. Well, we don't know what happened at the end, but
that was hideous.
Yeah.
Actually, I didn't like that at all.
I want to hear from that guy.
It was funny, and then it just went into.
This is what happens when you get cheap labour in, though, guys.
100%.
Yeah, especially landlords. What do we call them here? We don't call them.
We don't call them nothing.
We don't call
them.
We don't
call them anything. No, we love landlords.
Anyways, guys, that was interesting.
That was terrible. How they there was two guys there that were plumbers. That one guy didn't run down and turn the water off within a minute or two. Them guys probably do drywall mainly.
And turn the water off.
Drywall and plumbing / electric.
You have to stand your ground when you tell the landlord. I've had it before where I was in that studio in England and the builder wanted me to remove a radiator.
Yeah.
Boss was on holiday. I was young, so just the builder said, no, it has to be done today. And it was live. And I was like, I can do this live. And as soon as I cut the line, the water starts spraying, and there's literally $100,000 worth of electrical equipment in a radio station. And I ended up getting it on there very quickly.
So you done it,
but it burnt, scalded my arm.
Yeah, it's dangerous. It's dangerous.
And it was because I should have said no. Yeah. This is what needs to happen. Yeah. You need to shut the water off. It says in the description here, the apartment complex requires a $150 fee to be paid every 30 minutes. The water is shut off. Landlord didn't want to pay that, so he said to this poor fella, "No, you got to do it. Do it live." He should have just said. He should have said no. That's not how it works, mate.
Yeah.
And maybe lost the client. They'd have gone to the next guy who would have done it, who would have been in the same situation. But that could have ruined his business if he was because some cheap landlord.
Cheap landlord, that's right. And who do you think the insurance is going to be?
We're blaming it on the landlord instead of the plumber. It might have been the plumber's fault.
But in all honesty, that should have been turned. Well, like you say, you can't turn. They didn't want to turn it off.
Yeah.
That was the thing.
This is the story under here. I don't know if this is true, but Wilma, if that's how you say his name, that was not very nice. You're going to remember that one for the rest of your life.